Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Shadow Hub.
Lappen Schimmer, Susie Hayden, Hilton Schimmel.
For anyone wondering how cold it is out here, yes, it's cold.
I don't know why everybody's so scared of New York. It don't be no weird shit going around out here.
Guys, I'm out in the middle of the ocean, and I think there's a shark circling me right now.
I'll give you $5 million for 25% equity in our company.
No. 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 Hey, spot twist. No. Hey. Hey.
Okay.
You can't do that.
I apologize. I didn't mean to do that. I will never vape again.
Okay, we're not doing this right.
Up, Sal. Alright, you picking me up? Oh, I see. Well, we can't promise anything.
Okay. Let's gotta do your stretches. Gotta show you.
Oh my god. Yes.
Mice are harmless.
Do you see it? Oh my god, I see it! Get it, girl! Get it, girl! He's go. No, open. Keep it. Get the. Open it!
I hope you really enjoying, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep loving and keep supporting. Bye.